Good afternoon. It's a little after 1 o'clock or so this afternoon. The sun has finally come out. Temperature is about 25, but the wind is blowing, and it is still pretty chilly. A little bit of melting is going on. Not that much yet, but it's a start. Out with an afternoon stroll with George and Fiona. And just returned from a trip to the grocery store, which was really entertaining. Typical for Texas. You go to the store after a storm like this. There are no dairy products, including milk and eggs, no bread. Surprisingly, other things also gone, like no sugar, no hot chocolate, and with the current situation with our water, the bottled water is completely cleaned off the shelves. So, we do what we can for now. Oh, and also, the bread aisle is pretty much wiped out. And good luck finding a Twinkie. It's all cleaned out. So, this is the way it is. Life in Texas with the snowstorms. These once every 5 to 10 year storms really pack a punch and make life miserable for a few days. But it will all get warmer soon, and we can all look behind this. It's those next few days where we just want it all to go away now. Trying to find gasoline is also another challenge, and I got lucky with that today, but that's going to be something that also needs to have resupplies and catch up. And from what I understand, a lot of our gasoline supplies come from the Port Arthur area near Houston, and the refineries there have been shut down. Trucks are hard to get gas to areas north of Houston, and it's a very nervous situation at the moment. But here I am now with George and Fee, just enjoying what is a nice little sunny afternoon. First time I've seen sun in a while. It's just been that kind of dark and dreary days after the snow came down. And now we feel a little optimistic that things will get back to normal. I understand from the Northeast that they're getting walloped with quite a few inches of snow and ice. And this is probably a gift from us. We went through it. Now it's their turn. And today, I'm just kind of relieved that we are looking at a nice clear sky with the sun out, and the melting has begun, but it's definitely not going to be an easy melt. It will take a few days for this to all go away. In the meantime, George and Fee will still to enjoy what the snow is and how much of it we have. They're adapting finally. Fiona's figuring it all out, and they're having a good time with it. But I can safely say that once it's all gone, it'll make it a lot easier to walk the dogs. This has been a couple miserable days with the wind blowing and the wind chills, and they think it's all, to them, like a perfect, beautiful summer day for them. While I start sitting around and stand and freeze while they want to do what they want to do. Anyway, I'll give another update maybe later on today. Everyone, take care and be safe.